Hello, my name is Sastra, and it's so really excited for me welcoming the students joining our house. And then today here I prepare for the students introducing our Balinese culture. Especially we introduce the students about the Balinese house compound and the meaning about that its building and the functions, and also we learn about how to make canang or Canang Sari and also canang gabogan, and it's the purpose is to introducing the students about the meaning behind the Canang Sari itself, so the students can understand what is the meaning and what is Canang Sari stands for Balinese. And also we also learned about how to make our traditional hat that we call anyaman, and the students really enthusiastic because all the things that we provide are we get it from the nature and our local. And also after that we have lunch together with the students, and we also serve the students with our traditional Balinese food. So hopefully these programs will continue so that we can introduce our culture, we can introduce Bali itself to the students, so the tourists who comes to Bali can preserve our culture in a good way. Thank you.